Welcome everyone to Top 1 Futures Prop Firm. Today we're going to continue with the series of educational materials and talk about the accounts we're going to compare, and I'd like to share with you the best account from my perspective in an educational way. Definitely not an investment or financial advice here, but you could navigate through the informations that will help you to make your best decisions based on your own values. At the same time, reviews started to fly into Top 1 Futures Trustpilot, and in terms of 4.9 excellent score so far, let's talk about the numbers, guys, and share on the fact that we're going to compare the 100K and the 150,000. Why is it so? Well, let's get back to the plans. It is $100 difference between 25K and 50K in terms of the price. But then from the 50K into 100K, it's just $50 difference. $50 difference at the same time comes in between the 150K and 100K, right? So basically that's where the gap is being formed in the price section. $350 for 100, $399 for the 150. This is representing a $50 difference, and you will see how the payout is increasing, guys. It's definitely not even worth to talk about the 25K or the 50K ones at all. Now, the price for 100K is $698, but there is a 50% off with a coupon code SCRAMBLE. Right now it's still active, which comes at $349. The coupon code can be utilized at the checkout page, and you get the discount right away. Compared to $798 but currently $399 on a 150K account. So basically there is $50 difference, just like I said, between the prices. Clearly, the 150K is more expensive, but you have to see what do you pay that extra $50. Well, it's interesting because for the drawdown, and that's where the things start being quite interesting, it is end of the day drawdown. That means based on your end of the day balance, your drawdown is going to be calculated for the next day. Then during the whole day, you go based on the end of the day balance you had yesterday, and so on basically. So it's very comfortable in terms of the drawdown. It's not trailing live. It's not trailing based on realized profits. It's moving based on end of the day closing balance. Drawdown is $4,000 at $350 on 100K. Meanwhile, for $50 extra, you get $2,000 extra drawdown on the 150. Right, so you just pay $50 extra and you get $2,000 extra down. This is a lot better. That's really an offer right there that is representing an incentive, I would say, for the 150K. Definitely making it better. Then the price and the drawdown index is basically 15 times compared to 11.46 on the 100K, guys. What does it mean? Well, it means that the $399, which is the price of 150, is basically divided into the 6,000. 15 times more is basically the difference between the price you're paying and the drawdown you're receiving. And that is really substantial compared to the other 11.46. This is another opportunity right there. Then the payout threshold is pretty much same, 2%, and that's from where you can start basically making money above that, and you can request any payouts from there. Payout limit, this is another interesting thing. You have a difference of $1,000 between the accounts, and this is coming at a cost of $50, right? So for an extra $50, not only you get $2,000 more in the drawdown, but you also get $1,000 extra in the payout. So that's great. But then the next thing is the price and payout level index, which is 12.53 times for the 150K, for the 150K compared to 11.46. Right? So basically 12.53 times is the difference between the price you're paying and the payout you can receive as maximum payout per one request. You're paying $400 and you're able to take out $5,000 maximum in one request, which is a huge difference, guys. I mean, even if you blow 5 accounts, you're going to spend, $399, like 400 times 5 is $2,000, and you're requesting $5,000. So you're still having $3,000 profit, which is more than half than what you spend. It's very good. And I've talked about blowing 5 accounts, for example. Depends on the confirmation and conversion level and accuracy rate you have. Depends on that basically. The next thing is the max buy you can have is always 3 accounts simultaneously. So you cannot have more than 3 accounts at the same time. You have to go with 3 accounts or less. And simply, if you blow, you can buy more and you can refill to 3 accounts. But the max buy right there is 1,200, 1,197 for the 150K. So this is the maximum you could spend. And the maximum you could get from those accounts is 15 grand in a single cycle, which is a massive difference, guys, in between. It's actually a huge difference right there. The maximum buy on the 100K is 1,047, so it's a very, very small difference, and you see the max payout has a difference of $3,000 in between, right? So for an extra 150 bucks, you get $3,000 extra possibilities for the max payout if you qualify for that. Now, this is the launch promotional codes and prices and so on. I don't think the pricing that we have here is going to be for the upcoming months as well. Things could change, of course, in a variety of ways. Prop firms are very, very dynamic in terms of the way they go about things. They also change trading rules. They also have the ability, the prop firms in general, to change things as they adjust based on the feedback, based on the business, based on the things the market is running to. So depends. They will adapt at some point to other things probably. I don't know. But right now, these are the ratios, and I'm presenting you the mathematical form. From here, you decide basically, of course, on the subject. 150K looks a lot better from my personal standpoint compared to the 100K. It's very interesting basically with the limits they got today and the way it's performed today. Whenever there's going to be any update towards anything, I'm going to update that one on YouTube as well and to our Discord community. And this is pretty much all, guys. I mean, we've got the payout rules explained video. We got other videos as well with a complete review. We got projectx tutorial, which is the only platform available right now to trade on, but there's going to be Trade-O-Vate as well coming soon. At the same time, guys, this is pretty much where we are. I mean, how you can buy your account is simply go to the Instant Sim Funded. The link is in the description or comments area. It's pinned right there that you can utilize to buy the account. Get funded. You click on the Get Funded. It sends you to the checkout page. Instant Sim Funded, 150K. Project right now X is just the platform you can trade right now, which is allowing copy trading as well, so it's great. And then you continue, and then simply top right corner here where it says enter coupon code, you put it scramble like that, apply, and you get the discount. Do not forget about the available add-ons that you can have, such as no daily loss limit, but that's going to cost you an extra 25% of the price. If you do not want to have a daily loss limit, it's going to cost you like that. Anytime payouts as well is going to cost you 15% extra. So even like that, with, for example, anytime payout, it's $518, which is not much at all compared to the payout of $5,000, and that comes in 10 times. A lot of the people go with this anytime payouts add-on, and just a few go with the no daily loss limit, right? So people accept the daily loss limit. That's also 25% more, which is considerable. I mean, if we attach that one as well, if we buy all the add-ons, then the price is $718. So if we only buy the no daily loss, then it's $600. If we don't buy anything, basically it's just $400. But again, anytime payout is an advantage, especially where you are sort of away trading your 6-7 days, 8 days, and you're good to go. Otherwise, you have to wait basically from the time the account has been purchased and between the payouts 14 calendar days. That's how it's set by default. If you want something else, you can go for the add-on of a anytime payouts, which means you can request it anytime. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much all about it. Once again, have a great time. Careful on trading, careful on things. We only deal with only risk whatever we afford to lose. We do not risk anything else, guys. This is the most important part when it comes down to trading, and of course to the whole space of we're preparing basically to become better and better traders with the prop firms and try to adjust our tradings and performance towards a long-term journey. Feel free to join my Discord, guys, where we have our prop firm community as well and talk about the prop firms. We're going to have our own prop firm review website as well. So we're pretty much expanding our business and having a great time on the subject. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget about the live streams that we're doing daily. Right now it's set at 8 a.m. EST time. It's always going to be scheduled on my YouTube channel whenever you have the moment. And looking forward to it, guys. We'll talk to you soon.